In the infinite silence of the cosmos, a small silver messenger glides through the dark. It carries no crew, no weapons, and no fuel to return home. It is Voyager 1, humanity's farthest-reaching ambition. Launched decades ago, it has now left the familiar warmth our sun behind, piercing the veil of interstellar space. Looking at its parabolic dish, pointing resolutely into the unknown, you realize this isn't just a machine. It is a time capsule, a witness to everything we were and everything we hope to be. To understand where Voyager is going, we must remember where it began. It started in a room filled with brilliant minds and a shared, impossible dream. In the 1970s, a rare alignment of the planets offered a grand tour, a once-in-a-lifetime gravity assist that could slingshot a probe across the entire solar system. There was no room for error. The engines ignited at Cape Canaveral with a roar that shook the Earth, carrying the weight of our curiosity into the blue. We weren't just launching a camera, we were launching our eyes into the heavens. Voyager's journey was a masterclass in celestial mechanics. It danced with giants. First, Jupiter, a swirling, violent masterpiece of gas and storms. Voyager captured the great red spot in detail we had never imagined, revealing the chaotic beauty of our planetary neighbors. Then came Saturn. The probe skimmed over those intricate, icy rings, casting long shadows across the planet's surface. It showed us worlds of ice and fire, moons that could hide oceans, and rings that whispered the secrets of how solar systems are born. It was the first time we realized just how small and how magnificent our neighborhood really is. Beyond the giants, the light of the sun began to dim. Voyager entered the interstellar medium, the space between the stars. Here, it navigates through glowing nebulae of pink and blue gas, buffeted by plasma fields and cosmic rays. Even as its power fades and its instruments go cold, the probe remains stable. It is a ghost ship now, sailing on a sea of radiation. But it does not travel empty-handed. Mounted to its hull is a message, a golden greeting to anyone or anything that might one find it drifting in the deep. The golden record contains the sounds of our world, the laughter of children, the cry of a newborn, the stirrings of a violin, in greetings in 55 languages. It is our hello to the universe. But perhaps the most profound message Voyager ever sent was a single photograph. From 6 billion kilometers away, at the request of Carl Sagan, Voyager turned its camera back home one last time. There, suspended in a sunbeam, was a tiny speck of light, our pale blue dot. Every war ever fought, every person you've ever loved in the entire history of our species happened on that microscopic pixel. Voyager 1 will outlast the mountains. It will outlast the oceans. Long after our voices have gone silent on Earth, this small craft will continue its journey through the stars, a silent monument to the fact that once, for a brief moment in time, we were here and we dared to look up.